Here we have a 2021 Scarab 165 ID Impulse. It's got everything you need: tower, bimini top, has the matte flooring, the atomic yellow, 250 horsepower, jet engine from Rotax. This thing is as clean as a gently used boat can get. Upgraded sound system. There's your 8-inch sub right there. JL audio, RGB lighting system on all the speakers. This is one bad boat. Matching trailer, single axle. We added the load guides for easy in and out. This is it helps with low speed maneuverability. Ladder in the back. Really nice boat. Thanks for watching.